Now, I want to give you some piece of advice when you go about this pursuing financial freedom, and that is to understand the fundamental of what a business actually is. I see a lot of people when they go into a business, they think, oh, I'm going to make so much money. If I start this drop shipping, this affiliate marketing business, I'm going to make a lot of money, right? This is the wrong mindset to go about. And I believe the best mindset in order to do this is to forget about the money entirely. For example, if you're going into e-com, right, you want to forget the money entirely and focus on how you can help the people. That's basically all you have to do is focus on who you want to help. And if you can understand this simple, fundamental topic of who do you want to help, but there's an alternative to this, right? Instead of focusing on who you want to help, you can also focus on what business would you suffer for. It's an idea that I've learned from a creator, and he basically says instead of focusing on who do you want to help, focus on what business you would suffer for. Now you get a lot of you'll get the money will come, you'll get the freedom, but you'll have to suffer in some form. So if you were going to pursue YouTube, and the suffering you would have to go through is putting your business and your information out there, right? Going out on the street and having these your fans and just knowing your business and stuff like that, right? Do you want to suffer in that way? Or maybe doing e-commerce, right? Do you want to suffer going through checking and putting the products in? Is that what you want to suffer for? It's some idea that I think you should understand. And this is all I have for today. Actually, I'll leave you guys with this. Study Isaac Newton's third law. And his law basically states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. And it's the principle of sowing and reaping. Whatever you put into the world, you will output an equal proportion to that. That's all I have for you guys today. See you guys in the next video.